Whether you want to study journalism in college or whether you want to do it as a career, the sort of skills and confidence that you gain from attending a workshop like this will benefit you in anything you try to do.
HSJI was kind of just like solidifying, like, yes, this is what I want to do. I didn't really have opportunities to take journalism classes in high school, so being able to be in a classroom setting, especially at IU, was really useful for me.
We offer 4 different writing and reporting classes. We have news writing, feature writing, opinion writing, and sports writing.
I did the sports section of HSJI, and I think my favorite part there was how close everybody got. I still stay in touch with a bunch of the people that I met there.
One of the skills that I picked up at HSJI was learning how to write on a tighter deadline than I'd been used to before. Because in high school I was just on like a monthly publication, so we didn't have to worry about those fast deadlines, but it was really a cool different side of it to have to like write 3 stories in 1 week and get your sources on your own and everything.
One of the really useful skills that I learned from that was just not being afraid to call people. I had to pull out my phone, find whoever I could, and call them and conduct interviews over the phone, and I think that was the first time I'd ever done that, so it was a really valuable skill to learn.
The excitement about going to any pre-college program is, one, you get to kind of test drive a college.
I think the thing that influenced me the most to come here after going to HSJI was that I was just able to explore Bloomington and the campus so much and just like really get to know it while I was here.
Being able to be in a classroom setting, especially at IU, was really useful for me to see kind of how it operates, and helps me realize that this is something that I would want to do for the next 4 years of my life.
It never hurts for you to learn how to be able to ask questions, to research to find answers, how to communicate, whether it's with words or with images. Those are all great benefits, plus just the whole idea of coming to a college campus. You'll get a chance to see if this is the type of school that's good for you, and it helps you understand more what your own personal goals are.